Let's find the relative density of a solid using this simple experiment. It's easy and it involves just a few steps. First, let's weigh the solid in air. The weight of the solid is 67 gram force. Next, we'll weigh a beaker filled with water. The weight is 500 gram force. Now comes the interesting part. We immerse the solid in the water, making sure it doesn't touch the beaker's side or bottom. The new weight becomes 508 gram force. To find the relative density, we will use the formula. Relative density of a solid is equal to weight of solid in air divided by weight of water with suspended solid minus weight of water. Let's substitute the values. 67 divided by 508 minus 500. Relative density of the solid would be equal to 67 divided by 8, which would be equal to 8.375. The relative density of this solid is 8.375.